Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in Creo Parametric. In this playlist we are seeing how to draw this Gib and Cotter joint assembly. In last two videos we have seen how to model this fork and square rod. In this video we are going to see how to model this Gib and Cotter. Both are very small components, that's why I have made this two components into a single video. First we'll model this Gib. For that, just go to the Creo Parametric software and keep this diagram left side. Yes. Now first we will model this Gib. For that, just go to the new part solid, untick this use default template, say OK. Our units are in mm, so choose ns part solid absolute, say OK. Now I am going to start with the front plane. So select this front plane, sketch view. First draw the sketch. First I am going to start with this line. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. This dimension is now 40. Fit screen. Then we'll draw another lines. This line and this line is not 40, less than 40, so just make an incline line. Just connect it to the starting point and close the sketch and press the roller to confirm. Now the total height is 16 plus 62 plus 16. So just type 16 plus 62 plus 16. Just enter it. Go for fit screen again. And this dimension they are not given. Instead, at the mid they have given the dimension of 22. For that, just create one center line. The center line height is, just specify the dimension from here to here is just undo, just select and delete it. Select this axis and delete it. Just go for the center line. Center line we have created mid of this line, so it's correct only. Now just create one point. Just create one point somewhere here and press the roller to come out from the dimension. And then we need to specify the dimension which is 22. For that, just create one this sketch also. Go for delete segments, remove this here and here also. This dimension just specify it as 14 and make this as a symmetric. It's already a symmetric. This one is 16 and these two are equal, so the total height will come like total height is 16 plus 62 plus 16. Just enter it. Now we got the total height 94. This is a 16 and this is 14. So this will also be a 16 and this dimension will be 62. Just click this one. Press here, it is 62. Undo. Now we need to specify the distance from here to here is 22. Just change this into 22. Now make this line coincident with this point, that is they have given. For that, just use the option called coincident. Select this line, select this point. Now this line is moved to this point. Now our sketch is completed. Press the roller, come out from the constraint. Then we just want to make a round with a radius of 10 mm, that is we'll do in the 3D model, and the total thickness extrusion is 12 mm. Just say OK now. Go for extrude. Make here it is symmetric. Total thickness is 12 mm. Say OK. Then just to do the round with a radius of 10 mm. Just click this round, select this edge and press the Ctrl and select this edge. The round radius is 10 mm, 10. Enter it. Just press the roller to confirm our model. Now we have finished our, just hide all the planes. Now we have finished our modeling of Gib. Now we can save this model. Further, just go to the file, save as, save a copy. The file name is 3_Gib. Just enter it. Now the file has been copied as a Gib. Then we'll create another component of Cotter. For that, just go to the file, close. Then just go for the new part solid and tick this use default template, save OK. Choose NS part solid absolute, save OK. Switch on all the plane and axis. Now we'll model this component. The same way we need to model it. First I'm starting with the front plane. Choose the front plane, sketch, sketch view. Now we can model it by starting with this one is a straight line. This is the inclined line. At the center it has a dimension of 22. Now just take a line. Just draw one line. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. The total height of the line is 136. So just modify the dimension as 136. Go for the fit screen. Then just take a line. This one and this one is the inclined line and close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. This dimension they have given, which is 25, and this dimension they are not given. Instead they have given at the mid it is the dimension of 22. For this, just take the center line. This is the midpoint. Just create one center line and now just create one point somewhere here. Press the roller to confirm. This dimension distance is 22. Now same way we just do the constraint of coincident constraint. Select this line and select this point. Now we have set the dimension. Press the roller to confirm. This dimension we need not to specify. Automatically it will come. Just click it and press it. It is the dimension of 19. Just undo. Now we have specified the complete sketch. Then one more sketch we need to use this arc. For that, just go for the arc, 3-point arc. Click this one. Just press the roller to come out. Now just select this point. Just escape. Just take this 3-point arc. Select this point. Then go for escape again. Yes. The same line, just move it to proceed this point. Just change the direction. Just keep it like this. Similarly here we need to make, first select this point, move your cursor to along this line and select this point. Now just change this direction to here and place it here. Press the roller to come out. Now the radius you specify the radius of this length. This dimension is 19, so just specify the radius as 19. And this dimension is 25, this specify the radius as 25. Now remove the unwanted segments by using your delete segments. Just use this delete segments, click this one and click this one. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have finished the sketch, save OK. Then go for extrude. Make it symmetric. The total thickness of the extrusion is 12 mm. Make it 12. Save OK. Now see, this is the flat edge. So this surface and this surface are flat. We should not make a round. only this edge has to be made flat, round. So just go for round, select this edge and press the Ctrl and select this edge, and the thickness is 12 they have given, so you just specify the radius as 5 or 6. It has some dimensions, so I'm just giving 4. So 4 is enough. Same way here also we need to give, select this edge and select this edge by pressing the Ctrl and hold it. Save OK. Now we have created the Gib. The only thing is we need to specify which surface is the straight surface and which surface is the flat surface. For easy identification, just go for the view, choose any one of the color. I'm just taking the green color. Just this surface is the flat surface and this surface is the longest edge. Just take this color, this 3 surface and this surface, say OK. So now we can easily identify this cutter. And one more thing is we can create one midplane to this. For that it's simply just select this plane, just go for the model, just go for plane and this dimension, just change the direction, move it to here, 136 divided by 2, that is the midplane point. Just save OK. Now we have created a midplane also. For assembly it will be useful to do it. Now we can save this file. Go for file, save as, save a copy. This is the 4th component, 4_Cotter. Just press enter it. Now we have saved it. In this tutorial we have seen how to model Gib and Cotter. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. In next tutorial we will see how to assemble this complete Gib and Cotter joint. Thank you.